Hello, what's up guys? In this video I'll show you how to update your graphics card driver using GeForce Experience in your desktop. So for this you must need to install GeForce Experience if you want to get automatic updated, but if you have like GTX series of graphics card of GTX series, like I am using 1050 Ti, so I'll be able to use this GeForce Experience. But if you're using GT 710 and lower than that, you won't be able to get the won't be able to get this software, right? And if you have GTX series or RTX series graphics card, then you can simply use it. Now we can see that we were in home. Now you can see the drivers option. So if you click on, you need to click on drivers. Now you can see that check for updates. You need to click on that, and if you need if you need to update your graphics driver, you will be able to see there will be download option will be pop up, and if you download this Game Ready driver, it will tell you to install the driver, right? Now you can see that nothing will needed because I have the latest GeForce Game Ready driver installed in my desktop. So yep, in this way you'll be able to update your graphics driver in your desktop using GeForce Experience.